Good morning. I wanted to take a couple minutes to highlight some of the advancements that were made to the Maid Central software on Thursday, January 17th, 2019. These involve the quoting tool. We have taken the quoting tool and reduced the amount of steps, and we've also added some features in step 1 and step 2 that will make it easier to get through the process. So previously, when a client called, if you wanted to verify that you service their area, you would go to the zip code list and enter their zip code and make sure that you actually service their area. And if you didn't, you would let them know. This has now all been added to the quoting tool, so no need to go to the reports anymore. You go to Customer, New Lead, and you enter their zip code. If you enter a zip code that we do not service, you will get this letting you know that this customer is not in your service area. But if you enter a valid zip code, it will let you move forward to complete the booking process. The next thing that happened during this first contact information step is it's going to check and see if the client already exists or if you have a lead created for this client already. That way you're not creating duplicate accounts. So in this example, you can see we've found similar customers. So it's letting me know it found somebody with this phone number. I'm going to view the customer. Again, you can see right here, there's a lead created already for Rebecca Testing. If it's the same person, then you would use this lead and continue. If it's not, you would close and move on with the new lead that you're creating. In this case, it's me. It's the same person. So I'm going to use the lead that I've already created. So it's going to take me to step 2 where I can continue the booking process. In step 2, we also made some new advancements, which include how you can send the quote and actually book the clients for their new services. So down here, you should notice some new blue dollar signs. You can actually now click on these to just move forward with the booking process. Before, you'd have to save new client and continue, and it would take you to another step where you reviewed the quote you had just given them. The blue dollar signs will just take you straight to the page where you actually book. So here, if the client's not ready to book, you still have this option where you can email them the quote, edit the quote, or delete the quote. But if they are ready to book, you can go straight to the services that they've selected and click on the dollar sign next to that service. And here we are. We are at the scheduling page. There was no advancements made on this. This page has remained the same. So you would just schedule accordingly as you do. And then moving forward to the next step, there have not been any changes on this as well. You would just continue to enter the credit card, create their notifications, and continue the quoting process. And then in this page as well, you're still going to enter all your special instructions, pet instructions, location, phone number, and this information will still display the same on the technician's tablet. And then again, no changes on the last step. You're just going to confirm, and this is where you would submit and email the client their confirmation that they are now booked for your services.